How to delete Netflix profile in 2024. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can delete Netflix profile in 2024, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Deleting our Netflix profile is very simple. You open up the Netflix application and you can add up to 5 profiles, out of which let's say you want to delete a certain one. So do not log into any profiles here. You have to actually look for the edit button from the top right hand side of this page. So tap the edit button there. Then over here you will see a list of profiles. Select a profile that you would like to delete. Then at the bottom you can see the trash icon that says delete profile. So tap on delete profile, tap on the delete button, confirm the changes, and your Netflix profile will get successfully deleted. That's all it takes to delete your Netflix profile. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.